Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to open the downloads folder and we're going to open some files like MS Word files, text files and a JPEG image using system. So first of all I'm going to write a subroutine called open downloads. Okay. So, oops, dropped something on the floor there. 1 second, I've dropped something on the floor. That's okay, it's a pair of scissors. Okay, here we go. So we're going to create the path because the files are on the desktop. They're on my desktop here. So my file path, this is not your file path, by the way. You will have to check out what your file path is, because if you type this in, this particular path here, you'll get an error. So you're going to have to find out what your file path is here. So I'm going to open a folder. So I'm going to open downloads folder here, and that's wrong, isn't it? So that should be downloads. So I'm going to open this folder here. Right. Okay. So we're going to print message to the user opening downloads. Okay, we're going to do a new line for that. I'm going to do a little pause here using sleep. So that's going to pause for 1 second before we open this folder, and then we're going to type in system. And then simply start and the path that we want to start. Okay, now all we want to do here, we just want to call the program open downloads. Right, let's save it and let's run it. Opening downloads, and there we go, it's opened my downloads folder here. Right, okay everybody, let's create our next subroutine where we're going to open a text file. So this is sub open text file. Again, we're going to do path, and the text file here is going to be on my desktop. So this is users mark desktop. Of course, your desktop path will be different for this, so you'll have to find out what your unique desktop path is. So let's say print opening, whoops, opening text file. Again, we're going to use system, and I think I've got a text file on my desktop called info, so that's going to be start, say scalar path. Yeah, before I can do that, I should actually add the folder that the text file I want to open here. So that's going to be, I think it's called info.txt. Right, save that. Of course, call the function open text file. Okay, save it again. Let's run it. Okay, and it's opened the text file for me. This is the one that was on my desktop here with all the information in it. Okay. Right, the next one we want to do is we're going to open a JPEG. So this is going to be, I'm going to type this as JPG. I think the JPEG is called dot b dot jpg, this JPEG image, opening JPG file, and that's going to be open JPG. Okay, that's on the desktop, so let's run that. Oh, should have put a little bit of a pause there. Sleep. Give it a little bit of a pause for 1 second to give the impression that the program is working. Let's save it again. Let's run it again. Opening JPEG, and there we go. That's the JPEG opened. And now we're going to do a Word file. So I have a Word file on my desktop. I think it's called something like a.docx. a.docx. We shall see. We shall see. So opening Word file. Open Word. Okay. Hopefully that's the right file. I hope. Let's just save that. Let's run it and cross our fingers. Okay, there you go. It's opening the Word file. Okay, so there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on all the bell notifications so you know when I upload another video. And I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.